What if you could build your own AI employee that works 24/7, handles customer support, generates leads, books appointments, and never asks for a salary? Well, that's exactly what SmartAgentX claims to do. But here's the exciting part. If you decide to pick up SmartAgentX through my link below, you'll also get 5 exclusive bonuses completely free, including 100 AI prompts to create websites, videos, and content in minutes, an AI marketing toolkit, a YouTube automation masterclass, an affiliate marketing blueprint, and a Canva marketing templates bundle. So, does SmartAgentX actually deliver on its promises, or is it just another overhyped AI tool? Let's find out. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm reviewing a brand new AI platform that claims to let you build, customize, and deploy powerful AI agents for customer support, lead generation, marketing automation, appointment booking, and much more. In this video, I'll show you exactly how SmartAgentX works, take you inside the dashboard, walk through the key features, discuss the pros and cons, and help you decide whether it's worth your investment. Plus, if you purchase SmartAgentX through my link in the description, you'll receive 5 exclusive bonuses designed to help you get even better results with AI content creation, marketing, and affiliate promotions. Make sure to stay until the end because I'll show you all the bonuses and how to claim them. Now, let's jump straight into the review.
What do I post today? What if you didn't have to stress about coming up with content for social media, your blogs, your emails? What if it was all done automatically without you having to write it yourself, do any design work, or manage anything or anyone? And it's not just about doing it. It's about being consistent with your marketing, because marketing campaigns don't fail just because they don't work. They fail because people get burned out, they run out of ideas, they eventually stop posting. And when the content stops flowing, traffic grinds to a screeching halt. But what if you didn't have to stress about ideas? What if you didn't have to worry about marketing stopping? What if your marketing just kept humming along without requiring you to do anything? No writing, no designing, no scheduling. Sounds too good to be true, right? The good news is it's true and possible with our brand new AI-powered tool. Introducing SmartAgentX. SmartAgentX is an AI-powered marketing agent platform that can take any URL and instantly turn it into a complete marketing campaign in minutes, not days or weeks. And once you see what this system can do, you'll understand why people are starting to use it to simplify marketing and create campaigns faster than ever before. Just 3 simple steps to creating results, getting marketing campaigns from scratch in minutes. Step number 1, you simply enter a website URL. Step number 2, SmartAgentX scans the entire site and analyzes the business. It studies the offer, methodically extracts the messaging, and it immediately understands the best positioning. Step number 3, the AI instantly generates complete marketing campaigns, including social media posts, email sequences, blog articles, ad copy, images, marketing content, and more. Everything needed to create a high-converting, winning marketing campaign. Then with a single click, you can preview the content and schedule it to deploy across multiple platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn. What used to take days of work now only takes just a few minutes. But here's where things get really interesting. This isn't just a content creation tool for your own campaigns. This is also an opportunity to create a life-changing business without the need for long learning curves or expensive tools and software. Businesses everywhere need marketing, but most of them don't want to spend hours creating content themselves. And the only alternative is hiring people to do it for them for thousands of dollars. With SmartAgentX, you can swoop in, become their go-to marketing expert, and generate those campaigns in minutes without any prior skills or experience. Which means you can offer the same type of marketing service that the big agencies do without doing all the work manually. Instead of spending hours writing and designing content, the AI handles most of the heavy lifting for you with a few clicks of your mouse. In just minutes, it researches, it writes, it designs, it organizes, it schedules, it deploys across multiple platforms. It does the work of a full-time marketing employee without the headaches, hassles, or costs involved. Imagine this. A local business pays you $2,000 to deploy their automated marketing campaign, but that's just the initial retainer. We'll show you exactly how you can find clients without cold calling, get paid big fees up front, and then how to continue to get paid every month to keep things running. Because the AI handles most of the work, this only takes a few minutes per client per month, which makes this infinitely scalable. That means you're no longer stuck trading time for money. You're using automation to scale as big as you want. Just take a look under the hood of SmartAgentX. Because once you see what's inside this platform, you'll quickly realize this isn't just another AI writing tool. It's a complete AI-powered marketing engine designed to research, create, and deploy marketing campaigns in minutes. And everything happens inside one simple dashboard. The first thing you'll see is the website campaign generator. This is where the magic happens. Simply enter any website URL. SmartAgentX instantly scans the entire site, analyzes the offer, and understands the messaging, then generates complete marketing campaigns around that business. From the data collected here, you'll be able to quickly create social media content and highly engaging posts, blog and SEO content, ad copy, and AI-generated images. And then quickly schedule everything with the built-in social media scheduler. You can connect accounts like Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn, create posts, schedule them in advance, and let SmartAgentX publish everything automatically. That means your marketing keeps working even when you're not. SmartAgentX is a complete marketing engine, and here's what makes it so powerful. Instead of juggling multiple platforms, you have a single AI-powered engine that can research, create, and publish marketing campaigns for virtually any business. Whether you're creating campaigns for clients or running marketing for your own brand, SmartAgentX makes the entire process faster, easier, and far more efficient than you ever imagined possible. As you can see, it's easy to generate a complete, hard-hitting campaign in just minutes. Of course, the best part about SmartAgentX is the price, because when you look at everything this platform can do, creating complete marketing campaigns, generating content across multiple channels, designing visuals, scheduling posts, and giving you the ability to offer high-ticket marketing services. As soon as today, you might expect this to cost hundreds of dollars per month, and honestly, that's exactly how tools with far fewer features than this are normally priced. But today, during this special launch, you won't pay hundreds per month. Nope. You won't pay a large agency-style license fee. In fact, you won't pay any monthly fee at all. Right now, you can get full access to SmartAgentX for a low one-time investment. To lock in this special pricing, all you have to do is click the button below. But please don't wait around, the price is going up. And if you come back later to grab this, you could find yourself paying a lot more for access. We don't want that to happen to you, especially since you're fully protected with a 30-day money-back guarantee. You can test the platform, create campaigns, run it for your own projects, even try it with clients, and if for any reason you decide it's not for you, just let us know, and we'll refund your purchase. No questions asked. Just remember, this launch offer won't be available forever. Right now, SmartAgentX is available for a simple one-time payment, but once the launch period ends, it may move to monthly pricing. The bonuses will disappear, and the agency license will become a paid upgrade. So if you want to lock in access at the lowest price, now is the time. Click the button below. Get instant access to SmartAgentX and see how easy it can be to turn any URL into automated marketing campaigns that generate you big-ticket payments with very little effort required. Because once you see this system in action, you may never look at marketing the same way again without any prior skills or experience.
If you're interested in getting make sure to use the first link in the description below. When you purchase through my link, you'll receive these exclusive bonuses absolutely free. Bonus number 1, 100 AI prompts to create websites, videos, and content in minutes. Bonus number 2, AI Marketing Toolkit bonus. #3, YouTube Automation Masterclass. #4, Affiliate Marketing Blueprint. Bonus number 5, Canva Marketing Templates. Bundle. These bonuses are designed to help you get faster results with AI content creation, marketing, and affiliate promotions. Just click the link below this video, grab your copy of and claim all your bonuses instantly. If this review helped you, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more AI software reviews and bonus offers.